LangGraph versus AutoGen versus CrewAI 2025. Which agent framework wins? Agent frameworks in 2025 are evolving fast, but LangGraph, AutoGen, and CrewAI each have unique strengths. Most people get this wrong by thinking all frameworks handle tasks the same. They don't. LangGraph focuses on modular agent design and graph-based reasoning. You won't believe what happens next. It excels at complex multi-step workflows where dependencies matter. AutoGen emphasizes automated task generation and orchestration. Unlike LangGraph, it's ideal for rapidly deploying agents that can complete repetitive tasks across multiple APIs. CrewAI is built for collaborative AI workflows, allowing multiple agents to coordinate intelligently. The surprising truth is that CrewAI outperforms others in team-based task management and dynamic decision-making. So, which wins? For structured, reasoning-heavy tasks, LangGraph is ideal. For automation and rapid deployment, AutoGen is smarter. For collaborative or multi-agent workflows, CrewAI takes the lead. The best framework depends on your use case, reasoning, automation, or team coordination. Choosing the right one can dramatically improve efficiency and results.